never has witnessed the excitement stirred by these youngsters from Liverpool. Ladies and gentlemen.
He said, well, we look the other way round.
I never said that.
Because it's in the middle, she said, well, we look backwards. I think we look backwards anyway. But...
Luxury echt fucking tough.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell. Notification bell. Notification bell. And click like
and share.
Don't forget share.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Colin's all in his lounge wear.
Have myself a shower, clean up.
Makes a change.
Cheeky.
Okay.
It's getting the time, isn't it?
I know.
Um,
So today
It's
we've
a pasta.
got a
Pasta
pasta
bake.
bake from
Morrison's.
Sainsbury's.
sorry.
Sainsbury's.
I keep saying Morrison's for some reason, I don't know why.
I don't know why. It's a chicken and pasta bake. Chicken and bacon pasta bake with British chicken and smoked bacon by Sainsbury's, and it was £6.75, wasn't it?
Yeah, one of the ones we got in the last shop there.
Yeah, I think. Well, it's going to go around the three of us, isn't it?
Yeah, but we're trying these for people for quickness. We know we can make our own,
Yeah.
and we will do at some point. We'll make one.
A tuna pasta. I
think something with a bit of meat in it.
No, I like tuna pasta.
I like a bit of pepperoni and a bit of sausage and that. Yes.
It's got to be good quality sausage, not your mushy
No
style of
No problem.
crud.
No problem, crud. I think we'll do that one.
We might.
Yeah. I
It's
know what we'll
actually
do. Hey,
what?
we'll do the sauce the way I do it for the meatballs.
It might not work for a pasta bake.
Oh, I think it'll be really tasty.
It's really on one, isn't he?
Yeah, really tasty.
Yeah.
And some mozzarella layers inside.
Do you know what? It's not going to be cheaper than £6.75 at this rate, is
We'll
it?
work out what the price is though for such a luxuriously beautiful pasta that I'm going to do.
Well, okay. Now I've just seen it actually saves 4. It says so when you break that down, £6.75 between 4. It's a lot cheaper. 4
little skinnies.
Yeah.
I think you'll get 3 out.
We'll get 3 out of it, but it's
I prefer 2.
I wouldn't. It might be too creamy for me. Might be one of them ones.
But the volume I'm saying, I
Yeah.
prefer 2.
Well then you and George can share.
Oh, shut up! You're gonna have some.
Anyway, would you like to see the there's a traffic light system on this one.
Yeah, nutritional values.
Would you like to see
We'll
it?
show you that, guys. Okay, so chicken and bacon pasta. This is chicken, smoked bacon, traffic lights. Okay, let's see the flip side.
There you go.
We're all not steady now. And there's the nutritional value, guys. Okay. There's the cooking times. Now it is quite a long time from frozen and
Chilled.
from chilled. It's 50 minutes even still. It's quite a long time. You make your own in 20 minutes.
A lot quicker time.
Anyway, let's have a little look. Any allergens involved? Okay, there you go. Yeah, so as we say, it would be a lot quicker making your own as well.
Penne pasta in a creamy white wine sauce with marinated British chicken, beechwood smoked bacon lardons and mature cheddar cheese.
So it's nice to find out what these ones taste like.
So there you go. Yeah, because we wouldn't necessarily put a white wine or a red wine or something, anything like that in our
some
pasta
people
dishes,
will make their own, like we would make
Yeah.
our own, but there's some people who wouldn't.
Yeah.
So obviously.
And this is where these kind of things, they come in handy for you, don't they?
Yeah. So let's get that in the oven and get started.
Yeah.
Oh.
You're welcome.
And that's going in the oven, and after 25 minutes,
You take the film
take
off.
the film off. That camera went off just as I said that.
Because he was skitting me.
So,
Anyway.
we'll see you in 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, it's that time when we take the film lid off.
Yeah. Film lid. Oh, smells burny,
Okay.
doesn't it?
A bit of I'm on there, girl.
Where?
Yeah.
Do you want it?
Yeah, just put it back in there.
There you go.
There you go.
A toothful,
We start what?
toothful of ham.
Do you like some of the other one and move some of the
Yeah. Just a second.
some of the sauce around?
Bloody hot man. Calling me a sorcerer.
Oh, you do.
Oh no.
Well, not bad though.
It's come off in one piece, but it's left a bit of. I need to get that out.
Oh yeah, bit of beer.
We were sitting there wondering what's that noise, weren't we?
The oven beeping.
Is the oven beeping?
Okay.
Is there a bit more?
No, I don't see that.
I want to get this off if I can. Do you think
I wouldn't attempt that. That'll go
Would
all
you?
over it. I'd leave that alone.
Can I take it out of that dish and put it in a different dish? Because that's just going to warp everywhere. Warp speed ahead.
Yeah, just cover it over the hard bits there.
Okay.
You know, there's some more sauce that side to use there. See?
It's wonky, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's just thrown in, isn't it? Like machinery.
Tut. Oh, I really wish I could put it in a different dish, Colin.
Yeah. We get that all covered, guys, and we put it back in.
Yeah.
Okay. It seems like it's done. Sizzling hot.
That's hot, that oven.
See it sizzling in there?
Sizzling or bubbling? Both. Oh, I'm
Smells
climbing
nice.
that oven, I'm
That's
freezing.
nice.
Yes.
Ooh, we'll have to dish that out.
Dish it
don't we?
out?
Yeah. Ah,
Yeah.
you're laughing at my hair.
No.
I've got my fluffy head again.
You and your fluffy head. Drink
Wash them fluffy.
You're like a little chicken,
Yeah, so
aren't
I'm
you?
just going to give it a close up, guys. Because Tracy's going to dive right in as usual. I'll think about showing you things.
Go
Tracy's
on.
just
Well, you're the man who has the cameras, and I just
eat.
go.
There you go, guys. Smells nice, doesn't it?
It does smell nice.
What do you think, George?
Does it smell nice?
George's here having his.
Does it taste nice?
Tracy's only got a bit. She doesn't want to eat too much. There's bits of chicken in it, though. You
Yeah.
see.
There is some nice big chunks.
Yeah, good. Yeah, so what do you think of it, George?
It's nice.
So far? Good.
Not boss.
It's nice.
So there you have it.
What?
It's alright.
It's alright. That pasta tastes
I'd say,
nice.
I used to say, Tracy'd say, what do you think of this? And I go, it's alright.
Everything for everything.
And she'd be like,
I'd be fuming. I'd
not
say,
nice, not lovely, not
how
this,
do
not
I
the
look?
other.
I'd have a nice dress
Look
on or
alright.
whatever, and he'd go, you look alright. And I'd be like, for God's sake.
But my alright is like, it's good.
That's like, you can't get any better than alright.
Otherwise I'd go, she'd know because I'd look and go,
If he lingers on the answer, you know, it's not good. Or he'd go, it's alright, girl, but...
it's alright, this.
Yeah,
It's nice.
no, it's just alright.
Nice chunks of chicken. I'll just show you that, guys. I want you missing out and seeing this.
Nice
you go.
big chunk. I made sure that
Yeah,
was
you
all
got a
that.
chunk there as well.
Yeah. Made sure that we all got some. I just got this one. Oh,
Very nice.
it is it just tastes nice.
Got a nice flavour, hasn't it?
It has got a nice flavour. I don't know whether I'm worried about the pain that I get. I don't think I am with this. I don't think it's as creamy, but it tastes creamy.
That chicken tastes nice.
Does it? I'll try that. Right now.
It's juicy.
That is juicy. Yeah.
It tastes nice.
That's nice, that.
You can taste the bacon in it as well.
You could smell the bacon when you're in the oven even. Like it's like a smoky bacon, isn't it?
We're going to dive right in into this. Get it there.
Head first or feet first?
I don't know, head first. My mouth there. Yeah.
So we'll see you in a minute.
See you in a minute, guys. So,
Are you ready for this?
we've all let it all up.
We have.
We've all let it all up.
Well, that's
We've
all we
let it all
do.
up.
It was all
I'll
right.
show you the plates, guys. Nice and clean.
Empty plate.
Yeah. Tracy also.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and clean.
Ish.
And George. Same.
Ish.
Nice and clean. What do you think on the score then, George?
About 6 or 7.
Oh, he's dropping there.
It's down on the chippy one.
Oh, if it was a chippy one, it'd be at 8.
If it was me
If
making
it was salt and pepper chicken,
Yeah.
it'd be at 10.
What would it be if it was me making it?
Probably worse.
Oh, you're so cheeky.
So there you have it. George's scores in 6 or a 7. But if his ma was making it,
It'd be worse. Thanks very much for that. I've only fed you all your life. Anyway, my score's going to be a 6
was it?
or a 7. No, I think I'd probably give it about a 6.5. It's nice enough, and the first few tastes were nice, but then it's also got a little bit repetitive.
Well, I'm good. It's a pasta bake.
I know.
I'm going for a 9, guys.
Oh, you
Most
wait.
definitely a 9 because
Well,
it was tasty.
That's
was tasty.
quite a big gap between me and you. That isn't
It
it?
certainly
Really.
is because I'm telling the truth.
I'm telling my truth also.
Okay. But what I'm trying to say is that the bacon you could taste was nice.
You could.
The chicken you could taste
The
was
chicken
nice.
was
It was
very
juicy.
nice. Yeah.
The pasta was nice. It was cooked well.
Mm-hmm.
The sauce was nice. There was,
I think-
there was nothing you could say wrong with it.
Do you know what I think it is with me? I don't like wet food, and whenever we do a pasta, when we cook a pasta bake, I always am a bit scrimpy with the sauce. All right, so the pasta's dry, and me and
I hate
George,
that.
we like a drier pasta
A good
rather
wet
than
pasta.
Colin likes a nice soggy,
Nice and sloppy.
plop, 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 like that. That's what a soggy pasta sounds like. Plop, 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 plop. Anyway,
But
so that's why.
it wasn't soggy.
If you like,
It wasn't dry. It wasn't soggy. It was tasty.
sog.
The pasta was cooked well inside there. The chicken was lovely. The bacon was lovely. I don't know what else you can say about it.
You've given it your
Other
score.
than-
That's fine.
Other than
Yeah. My concern is just the wetness of it, and when I was dishing it out, I thought it is looking a little bit. I like to just take a bit off the top.
that's not a fair reflection on the actual dish. Then.
It's just my opinion. Yeah.
Of course, but it's not a fair reflection on the dish
No.
because you don't like
I wouldn't have it again.
wetness.
Would you have it again?
Yes, I would. Definitely.
Well, you've got one all to yourself then, haven't you?
Would.
Because me and George don't want it again.
You said earlier on you'd have it again.
When?
The beginning.
Did I?
Yeah. And we'll see that in the video.
I don't remember saying I'd have it again. Did I really?
Yeah, I'm
No.
pretty sure you did.
I don't think I did. He's making things up.
Let
you
me know, guys, in the comments
Said I
if
said
you've
something
heard
else
Tracy
yesterday
say.
and I never.
If you've heard Tracy say that she'd have this again.
No. No. Don't.
She's worried now.
I'm not worried. I'm just trying to rack my brain, trying to remember. Did I say I'd have it again?
Yeah.
Maybe that's what I said. The first few tastes, I thought, it's quite nice. But then it was just getting a little bit squelchy.
Not at all. Right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative and told you that we'd have it and we wouldn't have it and we would have it.
We wouldn't have it. Me and George won't have it again. Colin will. If you have it, invite Colin to join you.
Right, guys.
See you
Hope
next
you enjoyed the
time.
video.
Thanks for watching. Take care.
Give us a thumbs up,
Bye.
like, share, subscribe.
Yes.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye for now.